Slide 1, Start. In the mysterious intersection between mind and medicine lies a realm where belief becomes biology and intention transforms into healing. Welcome to our exploration of alternative medicine and the enigmatic placebo effect. For millennia, healers across cultures have tapped into the body's hidden potential for self-repair. From the misty mountains of Tibet to the ancient temples of India, alternative medicine has woven a tapestry of healing traditions that continue to baffle modern science. But what if I told you that the power of these ancient practices might lie not just in their exotic ingredients or time-honored techniques, but in something far more perplexing, the human mind itself? Let's begin our journey through the labyrinth of alternative medicine. Picture a world where healing takes countless forms: the precise placement of acupuncture needles, the careful selection of homeopathic remedies, the rhythmic flow of qi in traditional Chinese medicine, and the balanced doshas of Ayurveda. Each tradition carries its own enchanting philosophy. In traditional Chinese medicine, illness isn't just a physical ailment, it's an imbalance in the cosmic dance of yin and yang. In Ayurveda, health is a harmony between body, mind, and spirit, as delicate as a perfectly tuned instrument. But here's where our story takes an intriguing turn. Enter the placebo effect, perhaps the most baffling phenomenon in modern medicine. Imagine taking a sugar pill, believing it's medicine, and experiencing real, measurable healing. This isn't fantasy, it's documented science. Your brain, that magnificent organ of perception and creation, doesn't just observe reality, it helps create it. When you believe in a treatment's power, your brain releases natural painkillers, modulates immune responses, and triggers healing mechanisms that scientists are only beginning to understand. The placebo effect isn't just about fake pills. It's present in every healing interaction. The ceremonial aspects of alternative medicine, the ritualistic preparation of herbs, the careful attention of the healer, the exotic terminology, all these elements speak to our deep psychological need for meaningful healing experiences. But here's something even more perplexing: the nocebo effect. Just as positive expectations can heal, negative expectations can harm. Words alone can trigger pain, anxiety, and physical symptoms. This reveals the profound power of our minds over our physical reality. Research has shown that placebo responses can be remarkably specific. The color of a pill, the complexity of a procedure, even the price of a treatment can influence its effectiveness. In one captivating study, expensive placebos worked better than cheap ones, same sugar pill, different perceived value. This brings us to a fascinating question. When alternative medicines work, is it because of their intrinsic properties or because of the elaborate system of belief and expectation they create? The answer, like many things in medicine, is probably both. Modern medicine is beginning to embrace this complexity. The future of healing likely lies not in choosing between alternative and conventional medicine, but in understanding how belief, expectation, and ritual can enhance any therapeutic approach. As we conclude our journey through this enchanting landscape of mind and medicine, remember, the placebo effect isn't about fake medicine, it's about real healing, triggered by the mysterious power of human consciousness. In understanding this power, we might unlock new possibilities for healing that bridge the ancient and modern, the mysterious and the scientific.